over 68,000 euro in just 5 months. Let me show you this on the Digistore app so you can see this is not fake. A total of more than 68,000, and this month over 9,900 euro until now. We are now on my Digistore affiliate account. That you can see this page is real and not fake, I will refresh the page. Don't be surprised about the pixelated area. This area contains data from other marketers, so for data protection reasons, I have to pixelate it. You can see that I have already earned a total of 68,672 euro through initial sales. Now let's take a look at the earnings of the last 3 days. From the 23rd to the 25th, I earned around 300 to 500 a day. That makes a total profit of 1,366 euro. As you can see, on some days I make 100 or 200, but there are also days with more than 600. Anyway, there are earnings every day, and over the past 5 months, this raised up to more than 68,000. Here you can see I've paid out 56,000 to my bank account. I earned these profits without spending huge money on advertising, fully automated, and without high startup capital. You heard correctly. With my method, you earn money without huge advertising costs or high startup capital. I'm not showing you any pyramid schemes, multi-level marketing, trading investments, or other garbage. If you want to learn more about my method, then watch this video until the end. Maybe you are skeptical now, but continue watching, because later I explain the reason for publishing my method, and don't worry, the video doesn't take 30 minutes. I can't show you how to get rich in 1 week, drink champagne in your private jet, and fly around the world. If you expect that, then you better go playing lottery and wait for the big win. But what I can show you is a method which I'm currently earning around 14,000 a month with only 60 minutes work per day. But first, I want to tell you more about me. Hello, my name is Mark, and I'm a normal guy. Grew up in normal circumstances, and I don't have rich parents. But I've always had a dream. My dream was to reach financial freedom. During my research on the internet, I came across one guru after another. And all these assholes stand in front of great cars and told me how quickly I could get rich through them. But I was the biggest asshole, because I believed them. And of course, all their get-rich-quickly systems failed. There was one thing all their systems had in common. There were additional costs for websites, huge marketing costs, or you had to pay a high startup capital. So over the years, I have spent more than 10,000 on useless systems and investments, hoping to finally live a better life. After my last fail with an expensive trading system, I was thinking about to give up everything. But luckily at this time my life was so bad that I didn't, and I decided to try it again. But this time different. I wanted to create something myself to show all these fake gurus that I can develop a system that really works. And not just for a short time. Something that works as long as the internet exists. Something that can also help other people achieve their financial dreams without spending several thousands to build their own company or something like that. I combined the most effective marketing strategies I know and developed a new system from scratch. Now I also want to help people achieve their financial goals. Because one thing I can promise you, it is not hard to make money online. Everyone can do it. Only the variety of possibilities that the internet offers makes it hard to keep an overview of what works and what doesn't. The few really working methods get lost in all the bullshit. I earned 1,500 in the first month, 4,000 in the second, and even around 9,500 in the third month. That's a daily earning of around 317 for 60 minutes sitting in front of my PC per day. Now, a few months later, I earn around 14,000 per month with my simple method. It is not your fault if you failed to make money online until now. As I said before, the internet is full of bullshit, and the really working methods are kept under lock by an entire industry. What do you think would happen if people learned how easy it is to make money without spending first? Then this whole industry would harm itself. sell less of this get-rich-in-1-week systems for thousands of dollars to ignorant people. As I said before, I also got fooled by these assholes and their systems, which is why I break the silence and publish my findings. Another reason why I can share my method is that there are countless products in many categories, and the demand for English-speaking products reach across the entire globe. This market is so huge, therefore we will never be in direct competition. I will not explain my method to you in a thick ebook, so you have to read thousands of boring pages. And by the way, I don't have to write all these pages. I have recorded my screen activity so you can follow me step by step, and you can implement what I show you on your own PC. We will start together from zero and build your own system until you generate the first automated sales. You don't need your own website, nor your own products, not even good computer skills, because I will show you everything step by step, and you just have to copy what I'm doing. What you need is only a computer or laptop, around 60 minutes per day, and access to the internet. With my system, you can advertise products from Digistore and receive commissions every sale. Today, we can reach millions of people via the internet. But no fear, of course, you don't have to contact buyers directly and talk to them. The system runs completely automatic. Registration as affiliate partner on Digistore is of course also free, and there are no running costs. Again, in my video instruction, I show you step by step what you have to do, so you just have to copy my actions on your own screen. Everyone can do that. There are no advanced computer skills required. Let me show you some messages of people who already use my system. Andres sent me a screenshot of his earnings. He writes that this is the first month using my system, and the screenshot shows me that he has already earned over 800. So I asked him if I can publish his message as review. By the way, when someone sends me his results, I always ask for permission before I publish anything. So don't be afraid to send me yours. I am happy every time I get one, and I will not publish anything without permission. The next review is funny. Women in their shoes. She wrote, "Shopping day sponsored by affiliate marketing. She has been using the strategy for the first week. I don't know anything about fashion, but I know these shoes are Gucci's shoes, so they must be expensive." This guy makes me really proud. He writes that after a couple of months, he fulfilled his dream to drive an AMG. And that's the point. Fulfill your dreams. He wrote that he used the system since few months. Of course, that's not enough to buy an AMG, but with the earnings, he can already pay the leasing. You can see the results vary from person to person, so I can't guarantee you an exact number because it depends on a few factors. It depends on which product you choose and how often you repeat my system to sell it. In other words, the more you apply my system to a product, the more commissions you can earn. Theoretically, there are no limits. You can earn 500 or 1,000 in the first month, but I can guarantee that if you implement one-to-one everything I show you on my screen, you can start earning money during the first 24 hours. You now probably asking yourself what I want in return, right? 500 or even 1,000? No, I'm not focused on your money. I've already told you my story. I published the system for one reason. I want to make it possible for everyone to earn money online. So I take my free time to record this video here, building this website, hosting it, and creating the video instruction to show you exactly what you have to do. This cost me a lot of my time. But anyway, I don't want now 500 or 1,000 in return. I will provide it to you for only 67. You can directly start to implement everything I show you on my screen to start earning money online and scale your profits. A famous quote from Jesse Owens says, "You only need one chance to succeed." I offer you the chance to get the same results like me. "15 days later. We are now back in the dashboard of the new account. Again, I'll refresh the page so that you can see that this is not fake. The daily commissions during this period varied between 40 and 120 euro. Resulted in a total profit of 1,218 after 15 days.